What you'll need to do first is measure out 1.5 teaspoons of coriander seed because we're going to be toasting that. So turn your oven on to medium high, roast for 3 to 4 minutes. Here we are, nice brown cardamom seeds. We're going to place that into our spice grinder and we're going to grind. Careful not to burn yourself. Next, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Are actually going to go back into our spice grinder, and we're going to grind them up. There's 1/2 teaspoon of the chili flakes. Grind them in your spice grinder or pedal stool and mortar. Place them in there. Next, we'll need 1 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. There's 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of ground paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric root. Place into a container that's been labeled and has the date.